In today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how to make these love spell lattes. They're super easy, they taste so good, and I can't wait to share with you the recipe. So if you're interested, then let's get started. Okay, here's everything you're going to be needing for your love spell latte. You're going to need 2 coffee mugs, any size, any shape, any design of your choice. Then you're going to need about a cup of water. I have mine here charging with a rose quartz crystal in it. Rose quartz is amazing for love, unconditional love, healing love. Next, you're gonna need a cup of milk. So any kind of milk you want, soy milk, regular milk, whatever. Okay, let's get into our herbs. The first one that we have here is Damiana. Damiana is an aphrodisiac. It's used for love and it's used to amplify sexual energy. It's a very powerful love herb used in love spells, love rituals. Very, very powerful. Next, we have cloves. Cloves correspond with Jupiter energy, and Jupiter is all about growth and expansion. So we want to grow and expand our love. If you guys hear that in the background, that's my dogs walking around. Sorry. The next thing we have, of course, is your rose petals. Make sure that they're edible and there was no harmful chemicals used on it. The ones I have are edible. The roses, of course, represent unconditional love, true love. It has a very high vibration and it increases the vibration. So of course we want to use red roses. Next thing we have here is ginger. Ginger is more of a masculine herb. It's an energetic herb. It's very good for love and it has a more fiery energy. It's igniting, it's awakening, and it helps to speed up your spell, your manifestation, your ritual. And then we have cardamom seeds. Cardamom seeds are really, really good for love, you guys. It's called ilachi as well. And this is good for lust, love, passion. It's a feminine herb, so we have that ginger, which is masculine, and cardamom, which is feminine, because we want to balance those energies out. This corresponds a ton with Venus energy, which is the energy of love and beauty. And cardamom is also very uplifting and protective. So I have my heat on high, and I'm going to go ahead and drop my ingredients into my pan. I'm gonna let this come to a boil. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. Now, while this is cooking, you wanna infuse it with your intention. What do you want out of this? What are you infusing into this? Visualize, daydream, imagine, get into your head and create the outcome that you want. Now, while this is warming up, look how pretty it looks, you guys. Can you feel the energy already? Okay, so this is the time where if you want to add your sweetener, so if you want to use honey or sugar, this would be the perfect time to add that in. I'm not going to be using sugar. I actually have something better. I have here Hershey's syrup. This is strawberry flavored syrup, and this is what I'm going to be using as my sweetener, just to get that color more red and make it more, I want to invite more of that loving energy. And what better way than to use color? And red is perfect, you guys. Also, it's sweet and it's probably not the best thing for you, I know, but it tastes so good. You don't have to use it. You could use sugar or you can just use honey, whatever is your preference. And then I'm also going to be using some ground cinnamon. Cinnamon is used for attraction, lust, protection. There's a lot of good energies that come with cinnamon. So while that's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle just a little bit of cinnamon in there, just a little pinch. And I'm also gonna drizzle my strawberry syrup in there while it's kind of brewing. And as soon as it starts to boil, I will show you what it looks like. All right, as you guys can see, it is boiling. I do need to take it off of the heat, and it is ready to pour into our cups after you have infused it with your energy. This is a good time to infuse it with your energy too, because it's nice and heated up. Everything is boiling and cooking. Perfect time to infuse your intention in there. You want to make sure you use a strainer when you are pouring this into your mug, because you don't want those herbs in your cup unless you're doing some kind of tea leaf reading or tea leaf divination. It would be annoying to drink with the herbs in there, so I would just use a strainer. Yeah. Now what you could do with the leftover herbs that you have in your strainer, you can actually use it in your candles. You could dry them out and then use it like in your candles, your rituals, your spells, or you could sprinkle it all over your house. You could keep it in a little jar or mojo bag and put it underneath your mattress. There's a lot you could do with it, or you could just throw it away. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoy this. If you do end up trying it, do let me know how did you like it, and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see how yours came out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye.